Hello friends, I am in Srirangam, Trichy, in a place called, in a hotel called Scarlet Hotel. So in this video, I am going to give you a room tour. So let's get started. This is the living area. Once you enter, this is the sofa cum bed, which has been put in the bed mode now. That was the entrance. There is a TV here with a TV stand below, and some two chairs with two tables, coffee tables, and here is a wash basin and a small toilet. Once we come this side, the very next is a kitchenette with a sink and a refrigerator. This is the bedroom. With a double bed. A TV. A mirror. With attached bathroom. Here's a toilet, towels, mirror, wardrobe with extra pillows. It's a balcony, standing balcony. You can see the road outside. This is a very small standing balcony. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.